Hello again, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens. And right now I am back in Littleton, Massachusetts for our amazing home transformation. And this morning or kitchen transformation. And this morning or this afternoon, early afternoon, I am here to meet with the carpenters because today is the big day when the wall between the kitchen and the dining room is all open up, and I want to capture that on video. So let's go.
Hey! Oh, what's going on?
Bart, what's happening? Are you good? How are you? Good. That's too funny. It's like as I'm closing. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. This is what you call like action happening. An action-filled kitchen remodel, for sure. So we got the plumber, we got the carpenter, we got that wall coming out, all in a day. This is awesome. I know, right? Oh, so you put the support all the way through into, wow.
Yeah. All the way into it.
Wow.
It's usually just a touch here, but let's go all the way down the beam. And you can see how the beam comes all the way over to here. And to here.
So that's how
where
you were able to tell, right?
Yeah.
Like, so it's bumping on this side as well too.
Yeah.
But here we can make it a little, well, we don't have to, right? Make it fat, like just make that wall thicker on this.
Whatever you want to do for a design, we can make it thicker or make it post.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So you wanted your it was 20 inches or whatever. So I brought the post past that. So your cabinets just get flat wall before that post stuff.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's out of the way. So the move forward to out of the way.
Oh, don't forget the counter. There's counter.
That's why I pulled it away.
Okay, good. Good. Thank you. That's all. So you did the same thing here.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you were saying the floor cannot be installed
Right. Yeah.
until we get that.
Yeah.
So same thing here.
Yeah, see, we set all the way down here with it.
Yeah, yeah.
I put a piece of LVL on it to bring it up.
That's awesome.
Blocking here for the planks.
Nice. Very nice, guy.
Yes.
Perfect. Good job. Gotta capture the plumber doing his work.
Yeah.
Nice, Mark. This window came out beautiful though. Those.
Yeah.
You like my terms, Legoing thing? Like
Yeah.
playing Lego, playing Legos over here. I know, lots of action. Clients love action, you know. So,
What do they love?
action,
Oh,
like
yeah.
lots of stuff happening.
Yeah.
This is fun. I know. I don't know if you guys know, but this old house is doing a a beautiful antique home in Westford.
Oh, really?
In Westford Center.
Oh,
So I go
nice.
by it. I'm like, they have nothing on us. It's like a beautiful big sign,
Yeah.
Silva Brothers. I'm like, ah,
Silver Brothers,
wait,
yeah.
Wayside Kitchens is right
They
there.
still
with
use
it.
the palm, huh?
But I guess they're doing. There's an episode
Wow.
of this old house. It's beautiful.
Wow.
The house is nice,
Oh, sure.
huge,
Absolutely. I like that.
huge house. Oh yeah, yeah. They made a fortune, I'm sure, with that show.
I'm sorry?
They made a fortune with that show,
Oh,
I'm sure.
Popular?
Yeah,
Back in the day?
yeah, yeah.
Dad always had that on. Well, I got in the business watching this old house all the shit.
It's like
Oh yeah, I was always.
it's like Jim the Builder. Some of the little kids that we've done remodels for, they call him Jim the Builder because of Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Remember that? He had a David Williams. They call us the Boom Boom Guys.
The what?
The Boom Boom Guys.
Yeah.
Banging something. The grandson called us the Boom Boom Guys.
Yeah, that makes sense. Mark, I never have this much fun at jobs, you know. I talked to Joe. He's really happy about the beam, how it came out.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. He was here for a little bit.
Yeah, he was. Well, yesterday.
He's happy. Something I want to be breathing down your neck, Mark, you know. Have patience.
Oh, look at that. The kitchen sink tray.
I know, right? Very important.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.